Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for Breakthrough Math. You can find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we will cover today are convert between hours and fraction of hours, relate time units, write times, match clocks and times. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 3 math, the chapter here on right now is time. Let's just start with the first lesson. Convert 1 hour. Well, how many half hours? So in 1 hour, we have 15 minutes. So 1 hour equals 2 half hour. Sorry, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So half hour equal 30 minutes. So 30 minutes and another 30 minutes makes 1 hour. So that means 1 hour. Got it? 1 half hour equals correct function is 2. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. One 1 half hour equals 30 minutes. The correct option is 30 minutes. That is 2 half hours equal 2 half hours equal 1 hour. The correct option is 1 hour. 1 quarter hour equals how many minutes? One quarter hour equals quarter hour means 15 minutes. So 1 quarter hour equals 15 minutes. The correct option is 15. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 hour equal how many quarter hours? So 15 minutes equals quarter hour, right? So 15 plus 15 plus 15 and plus 15 together they make 60 minutes or 1 hour, right? So that means 4 quarter hours make 1 hour. Got it? So 4 quarter hours make 1 hour. The correct option is 4. One hour equals 60 minutes. The correct option is 60. 2 quarter hour equals 1 half hour. 2 quarter hour means 15 plus 15. So 15 plus 15 makes 1 half hour. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 half hour. 30 minutes equal 1 half hour. The correct option is 1 half hour. 2 half hours equal how many hours? 2 half hours equal 1 hour. The correct option is 1. 1 hour equal how many quarter hours? 1 hour equals 4 quarter hours. The correct option is 4. 15 minutes equal how many quarter hours? 'That is 1 quarter hour equals 15 minutes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself for today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Relate time units. Let's just start with the lesson. How many hours are in a day? So which is the correct option? So in one day, there are 24 hours. The correct option is 24. Let's just start with the test questions. How many days are in a normal year? So which is the correct option? Normal year, there are 365 days. Option number two is the correct option. How many seconds are in a minute? In a minute, we have 60 seconds. The correct option is 60 seconds. How many whole weeks in a year? So the correct option is 52 whole weeks in a year. The correct option is 52. How many minutes in an hour? 60 minutes in an hour. The correct option is 16. 60. How many years in a millennium? In a millennium, there are 1,000 years option and one is B for that option. There are 24 hours in a day. The correct option is 24. Millennium means 1,000 years. How many whole weeks in a month? There are 4 weeks in a month. The correct option is 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself even today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is right times. Let's just start with the lesson. Write this time using digits and a full 11:30. Past means the one that is gone. So 11:30 means 30 minutes gone to 11. That is 11:30. Let's just test question. Write this time using digits and a column. We write 3 o'clock. So that means that it's 3 hours and 0 minutes. The correct option is B. Write the time using digits and a column. Option number one is the correct. That is 3 o'clock. Write this time using digits and a column. 11:30. That is 11:30. Half past is 11:30. Option number one is the correct option. Write this time using digits and a column. 10:30. Half past 10 means that is 10:30. Option number two is the correct option. Write this time using digits and column. 7 o'clock. Option number two is the correct option. That is 7 o'clock. Write this time using digits and column. 5:30. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5:30. That would be 5:30. Option number one is the correct option. Write this time using digits and a column. 8:30. 8:30. That is 8:30. Option number one is the correct option. Write this time using digits and column. 4:30. That is 4:30. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write this time using digits and column 1 o'clock. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 o'clock. Write this time using digits and a column. 7:30. That is 7:30. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five o'clock, which is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is match clocks and times. What time does the clock show? That is 4:15. Let's just start with the test questions. What time does the clock show? That is 4:45. The last option is the correct option. 4:45. What time does the clock show? That is 4:15. Option number 1 is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 3:45. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3:45. What time does the clock show? That is 3:30. Option number two is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 1:15. Option number three is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 12:30. Option number one is the correct option. What time does the clock show? The correct option is 7:30. The last option is the correct option. That is 7:30. What time does the clock show? That is 5:30. Option number three is the correct option. That is 5. What time does the clock show? The correct option is 10:30. The last option is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 5 o'clock. Option number one is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 9 o'clock. Option number one is the correct option. What time does the clock show? That is 4 o'clock. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself maybe today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is time. The lessons we have covered today are convert between hours and fractions of hours, relate time units, write time, match clocks and times. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Maths actually. Let me try to edit the lesson name. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 3 math, but by mistake I have written grade 2, right? So I'm going to edit it. Any question you can ask if you have any. Let's see if I can change the lesson name.